away your pencils and get your colors out. It's time to start creating the templates that will shape your business. Wepik is a platform that offers templates, graphics and features for small businesses to use. You can browse through the top formats available or type in the desired content into the search bar. On the top bar, you'll find 4 main sections: templates, small business graphics, features and my brand. On the template section, explore the top formats available: logos, posters, brochures, and by clicking on See More, you'll discover a whole new world of designs. Welcome to Wepik's archive. Here you can search for the perfect design, whether is it by clicking on the sidebar to explore business cards, flyers, Instagram stories, Facebook headers and covers, signs, and even gift tags and planners. Or, if your mind is already set, try writing it down in the search bar. And how about finding some inspiration? The Small Business Graphics section provides content specifically tailored in many styles, shapes and forms. Let's jump in. By clicking in any of these small businesses, a page will unfold presenting designs made by professionals, plus many tips about building your brand identity. And let's keep this between us. But by selecting a pack, you'll find all things graphic designs in the same style: price lists, menus, social media posts, do not touch signs, logo. You'll simply have to write down your information and the rest is history. To take personalization to the next level, the My Brand feature will allow you to upload a logo with or without a background, your color palette, and even specific fonts. Apply them in any template with a simple click. And last but not least, the features section, where you'll find Wepik's top tools, such as the photo editor, the AI generator text-to-image, the brand kit, the background remover, and the mobile app. Each feature will take you to a page where you'll be learning about editing pictures like a pro, creating images out of thin air with a simple quote, or even removing the background of any picture. Keep an eye on it, because more tools will be joining the section over time. Now, dive in and explore Wepik. Design made easy for your business.